Progress has challenged us to continually improve our internal management systems. We want to provide our customers with the most cutting-edge technology and our staff with the most accessible systems. Our projects start in a design and quoting phase, move through to work orders and production, then to assembly or another secondary process, and finally to our shipping and logistics department. Tracking these projects is a huge part of communication between our different teams internally and externally with our customers. This year, our team created a real-time, interactive database management system that allows us to manage our customers' projects in one space. We are very proud to offer this streamlined system to our customers to ensure the highest quality product and the most efficient production. Take your project to the next level. Email us at innovate@nylacarb.com.